Hi, I'm Jim Kruger. I run both product marketing and digital marketing at Veeam. One of the things that I found here at VeeamON is that it's not just a one-way conversation, it's a two-way conversation, and it's been a great opportunity for me personally to meet with a lot of partners, a lot of customers. In fact, we've done, I think, 12 different focus groups where we've pulled customers aside and had separate discussions with them and gotten a lot of feedback relative to our solutions, our ecosystem. It's been very positive. In terms of what we've been sharing here at VeeamON, again, around our vision and strategy, and around really building out a platform for our customers, one of the key areas is our ecosystem. And we have a huge ecosystem of over 55,000 partners. It includes channel partners, technology partners, and so forth. Many of them we've had speaking on stage here. And what that does is it provides a lot of flexibility for our customers based on the environments that they have to be able to deploy our solution in a very economical fashion, and also gives them sort of the ease of use, ease of deployment relative to our solution. So I'm looking forward to the continuation of the conversation with our customers and our partners here. We have a day left. The breakouts have been, I think, one of the biggest highlights because one of the things that I found is there's a lot of technical people here at Veeam, and they're loving the conversations that we're having in those breakout sessions, learning more details around where we're headed from a roadmap perspective, and we're sharing some of that information with them so that they can plan their strategies with their organizations, go back to their organizations and talk to the hierarchy within their companies to plan for different solutions that we're going to be bringing to market in the future.